Hi oil lovers, this is Cindy Lou, certified aromatherapist, and I am going to tell you a little bit more about Digestzen. So Digestzen has peppermint, fennel, tarragon, anise, I don't know, I can't read, oh, here we go, caraway seed, ginger root, coriander, and fennel. Yay! Right? So this makes a fantastic tea. I like to put 1 drop in my warm or hot water. Just kind of the off-gassing of it is like really, really beautiful. And I also like to put it, I'm going to pour myself a little water. In just a little bit of water, if I'm having any sort of indigestion at all, or I suspect that I might, have I used Digestzen preemptively when I know I'm eating something that's maybe not so great for my digestion? Absolutely. Right, so before or after that meal that you know is on the fence, I always take it before and after sushi. Why? Because the ginger helps with food poisoning. My sister went to Mexico for a party, and there were 15 of them. And she had her little oils kit with her. Of course, she brought Digestzen to Mexico. I mean, let's not be crazy, right? So she had it with her, and after one meal, every single person at the party got Montezuma's revenge. And so she had her Digestzen. She shared it with everybody. By the next day, people were fine, drinking again, out in the sun, having a great time. So that is a really great way to share Digestzen. Now, if you're dealing with a little one, you can actually put it in a roller ball. This is about a 5 to 10% dilution, which means I have between 10 and 20 drops of Digestzen in this bottle. The rest is fractionated coconut oil. This blend is called Mumble's Butt. Because my dog Mumbles tends to have flatulence, right? So I will actually rub this on her belly. She really likes it, and that calms her flatulence, which makes everybody happy. Why do we use the same oil for constipation, diarrhea, nausea, heartburn, right? When over-the-counter pharmaceuticals say it's one thing for this, another thing for that, the reason is because these oils are not about conditions, right? These oils are about allowing your body to go into a homeostatic state where it feels fully supported by the chemistry of the oils. Chemistry alone is going to be supported by nutrition, right? Chemistry and nutrition work together. So the better you eat with a little bit of Digestzen, the better your whole system is going to feel. So feel free to use it if you don't have a roller ball. If you want to put it topically on someone who doesn't like the flavor of it, you can rub a little bit of coconut oil on their belly first, then drop a drop or two of Digestzen and rub it in. Alternately, you can also put it in a capsule, a veggie cap. I don't have them in front of me. I would just do 2 or 3 drops, and then that would be enough to settle your whole stomach. All right, hope you enjoy your Digestzen. Bye.